Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Joshi and welcome to my YouTube channel Selenium Easy with Rahul. So there are always some tools that you will use to help you achieve your goals in life. Like for example, if you want to make some notes in laptop, then basically you need text editors like Microsoft Word, Notepad, etc. etc. So same applies when we are going to code something. Then basically we need some special softwares or tools that makes our life easy during coding. So yes, we are going to discuss about the IDEs, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. So basically, IDEs basically provides the graphical user interface that help you in developing the code, editing the code, debugging the code, and finally delivering the code. There are many benefits of using an IDE. Like IDE detects the programming languages and then applies specific colors, fonts, styles to certain keywords and text. And apart from that, you can also makes your code readable, clean, auto-completion suggestions, and easier to detect syntax error, and lots more functionalities and features. Finally, there are many IDs available in the market, such as Netbeans, Eclipse, Intellij Idea, etc. You can use any of the IDs, but I prefer Intellij as it is easy to use, great UI, provide easy connections with the GitHub repository, and many more. So let's start the session. So we are going to download and install Intellij Idea, right? So for that, actually, you just need to launch a browser. You just need to type Intellij Idea, right? Press enter. Right. So now, if you see here, we have a download option here. So just click on it, right? And we just automatically navigate to the JetBrains website or the official site. And the very first option is the Intellij IDEA Ultimate, which is again the licensed one. And you just need to pay some money, which I don't recommend, right? So we have another version of Intellij, that is your Intellij IDEA community version, which is again free of cost and open source. You can download it, you can install it easily, right? So for that, actually, just click on the download button and automatically your download start taking place, right? So the exe file gets downloaded within your downloads folder, right? So if I show you like after download, right, the file will looks like this. So this is the exe file that gets downloaded. Double click on it, right? So this is the window that opens up. We just need to click on the next button. And this is the installation part where our Intellij IDEA gets installed. That is by default in the program files. Then it creates a folder named as JetBrains, and inside that it automatically creates another folder with the name Intellij IDEA and its version. Click on the next button. So if you see, this is some configuration that you can set. Like for example, if you want to create a shortcut, then just click on the checkbox, and there are other options as well. So depending on your need or depending on your configuration that you want, you just select it. So for now, I just only want the desktop shortcut. And after that, just click the next button. And after that, I want my a folder to be created in the start menu folder, right? So at last, we just need to click on the install button. Now, if you see like installation start taking place, and we just need to wait for some time for the installation to get completed. So once your Intellij IDE gets installed, you will get this pop-up, and you have the checkbox button as well. Like once you click on the finish button, it automatically trigger your or open your Intellij IDE. So I'm just clicking on this checkbox, and I'm just clicking on the finish button, right? So on clicking the finish button, it automatically trigger your Intellij IDE. So if you see here, we have the Intellij IDE open up. Um, so how to use the Intellij IDE, we will discuss in the next session. And so yes, so that is it from Intellij IDE installation and download perspective. Next session, probably I will see like if we can cover how to use Intellij IDE, how to make the connections with the GitHub repositories. So we'll cover that as well in the next sessions. So for now, thank you so much for joining the session. I will meet you next in the next video.